जाएगा सर, ये महीने में जरूर आ जाए।
नहीं, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू आर वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक एंड पॉजिटिव, बट आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड क्यों नहीं आ रहा है आपको। इतना बढ़िया पोस्ट वगैरह वो सब डाला था आपने, फिर भी नहीं आ रहा है, क्यों? क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? कहाँ पोस्ट किया आपने? आपका वेबसाइट, फेसबुक पेज ठीक नहीं है क्या? क्या है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या लग रहा है आपको?
फेसबुक में तो सर पोस्टिंग का
हाँ, तो क्या
हमारा वेबसाइट नहीं है।
हैशटैग्स वगैरह यूज नहीं किया क्या?
सर
हैशटैग्स यूज नहीं किया क्या?
नहीं सर।
हाँ, वही तो। फिर आपके पोस्ट कौन देखेगा फिर? अगर वो लोगों को दिखाना है तो वो हैशटैग्स का प्रयोग करना पड़ेगा ना।
हैशटैग
हाँ, हैशटैग्स।
सर।
You are not seeing the group messages then. You are not
हाँ
watching.
सर।
You are not watching the group messages.
हाँ सर, वाचिंग।
Hello.
हाँ
Yeah.
सर, वाचिंग सर।
No, then this question you should not ask me. Hashtags, because about hashtags so many times it has been discussed in the group.
सर।
Yeah, it is open, ma. It is open. You know. Hello.
हाँ
So about hashtags, lot of discussion have happened. You have to watch, sir. Otherwise, you will not get donations, because what you are doing now is you have created something and you have kept it in your house without showing it to people. It is you have to show it to people, right? What you are doing, you have to show it to people. You have not done that. You have kept it in your house, and nobody has seen that. Otherwise, by now you should have got donations. If you are not getting, it is not being publicized properly. तो क्या करना है, कैसे कैसे आप सीखेंगे इसको? आप दोबारा अभी now go after this session, please see from the you go to a group, WhatsApp group, and put in the search column hashtags, okay? And you will get lot of that whatever conversations have happened about hashtag, everything will be appearing there. You go through all the messages. हाँ,
ओझा जी
हाँ सर, बोलिए सर।
अभी आप फोन चेक कीजिए, मैंने भेज दिया। आप सिर्फ अपना बैंक अकाउंट चेंज कीजिएगा। मैंने सारे हैशटैग्स भेज दिया। आप सिर्फ आपका बैंक, यहाँ पे मैंने अपना बैंक अकाउंट दिया, उसको डिलीट करके आपका बैंक अकाउंट देना, और आपका फेसबुक लिंक डालना। वहां पे आप देखोगे मेरा लिंक है, वहां पे आपका लिंक दीजिएगा, क्योंकि जब भी आप फेसबुक में देते हो आप लोग बैंक अकाउंट नहीं देते हो। डेली श्रीधर जी सबको बोलता है बैंक अकाउंट नंबर देने के लिए, कोई नहीं भीख मांग रहा है। सबको शर्म हो रहा है भीख मांगना। भीख मांगना कोई शर्म नहीं है, इट इज पार्ट ऑफ माई वर्क। कल भी होल डे श्रीधर किसी को लिख रहा है वेयर इज योर अकाउंट नंबर, वेयर इज योर अकाउंट नंबर। भीख नहीं मांगने से नहीं आएगा, सर तो उतना ही कर पाएगा, उसके बाद पानी में नहीं धक्का दे सकता।
Account number you are not putting, account number you are not putting, hashtags you are not putting. So how the donations will come?
Most of the people are not putting.
Most of them are not putting. Yes.
It should be a routine affair.
Now only, now I think he has started putting, now Mahesh has started putting.
Mahesh is listening.
Mahesh has started putting, he's getting his donations.
Yeah.
So मिल रहा है अभी उसको. Okay. So आज अभी तक लोग तो नहीं आए, 4:32 हो गया है. Weekly once I'm doing, and they are paying for it. They are paying for it, and then they don't come on time.
Whenever I listen to Earl Nightingale,
Hmm.
I get a slap on my face.
Yeah.
Because I was in the hospital. My nephew, by the way, has been released.
Oh, good. Very nice.
So when I was sitting there, I was listening. It keeps my mind occupied.
Hmm.
And then I was, whenever someone very seriously listens, the shortfall comes out very quick.
Ah,
And it's like a slap on the face.
correct. And every time you listen to that, you will find something new.
New, exactly. That's exactly what was
Something new you will find out.
and I was feeling very guilty.
That is why he said you listen to this.
I listen to it at least 6-7 times a day. Because it wakes me up. It tells me, "Acha, ye nahi kiya, wo nahi kiya. Do this, do that."
And beautiful.
Yeah, and it's very simple English. It's not difficult.
Correct. Next one is you know, when time permits. Now, instead of listening to 6 to 7 times of this one, you listen to one more. Think and Grow Rich.
Okay.
Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill. Think and Grow Rich. There are 13 principles. There are 13 principles of this book, which is also a record, 40 minutes recording. Okay.
Achha, that was 33.
40 minutes recording. Just go and in YouTube, you search for it, you will get it.
Napoleon Rich.
Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill.
Okay, thank you.
So this Napoleon Hill, actually he happened to meet Andrew Carnegie. Andrew Carnegie was the world's richest man. So Andrew Carnegie called him and he gave him one task. The economic condition of US in the year 1929, okay, was bad.
Recession.
1929. So you can imagine 1929 is almost how many years? See, now we are 20, almost 90 years.
Yeah.
Okay, almost 90 years back. He was called at that time when the condition of the people were, was very, very bad. Every citizen was going through some financial crisis. So this man gave him a task. He said, I want you to meet the world's 500 richest people. And he gave the list and use my name. Okay, you have to use my name because only then they will give you permission to see. Andrew Carnegie was number one. It's like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates and all that. Bill Gates, like that today. If Bill Gates sends somebody, his representative, anybody will meet him. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So he said, use my name. Go and meet these 500 people. You can go and stay with them for months together if you want, right? But you need to write a book. You need to write a book, right? On the principle, what made them successful in their life. What all things that they have followed, what are their daily habits, right? Find out all that, go deep into it, do a research, write a book. Okay. For this work, what you are going to do, I won't pay you any salary. I won't pay you any salary. I will take care of your conveyance expenses. That's all. And you have got 30 seconds for you have to decide within 30 seconds whether you can take up this task or not. 30 seconds. So he said that this Napoleon Hill replied saying, sir, at least give me a day's time because you are saying no salary also, right? You give me a day's time. I'll think over and let you know. Then he said, you have already wasted around 7 seconds. You got only 23 seconds more. You need to decide now or never, right? So on the 27th second, he said, okay. He said, fine, I'll take it. Then he told him that if you had delayed by another 3 seconds, you would have lost this opportunity of writing. Now, Napoleon Hill, who took up this task, became the richest man in the world. Why? Because he happened to go and meet all the richest people.
Correct.
Right? And found out what are all the habits that they followed and what did they follow to make themselves to become successful. And when he started listening to all those things, he started doing for himself. Correct? Now he is learning this from 500 people.
Different people, yes.
And it took him 20 years for him to complete the book. Okay. And in these 20 years, he becomes the world's richest man. Now that, see, if that in the 30 seconds, if he had not decided, right, of taking up this task, he would not have become. Then what did he do? He wrote a book. Now that book became one of the best seller in the world. Now there is no other self-development book. There is no other self-development book which has overtaken the volume of sales of this particular book in the entire world. So Arunji, what do I do? Why these people are not coming? 11 people are supposed to come. I've got only 5. Only 5 of them.
Earl Nightingale said 5% will only do that. So I guess that's what it is.
So one day you'll be able to say these are the top 5 people who worked with the 500 people around.
I'm really surprised. All these people have paid money. And they don't want to come and attend this weekly one-day program. Kya karenge? Okay, Chandransu Ajra had written to me. You know, he messaged me saying that he is now occupied for this month, but from December he will come. This month alone, he said, please excuse me. From December I will come. So that is understandable. Fine. Now, what about the rest of the people? Mahesh, your John Peter, your Ankush. Okay, Ankush, you said he is.
No, Ankush is still sick.
He is still sick. So Ankush, okay, fine.
Ankush is not recovering. He's not
recovering. Okay, fine. So, fine. Anyway, we'll start now. Today's, I wanted to ask you people, Arup, Teresa, I don't know about Kamal. I'm sure that Anant Kumar and Oja would not have known about this much, but Arup and Teresa might be aware of this. Tell me, have you heard of this, network marketing activities? Have you heard of this?
Yes.
Okay. Have you participated in any of the network marketing in the past?
I have.
Which company?
So this was a company that was into finance, right? Multi-tier financing, which was basically a scam.
Okay.
This was now the Bandhan Bank in Calcutta.
Okay, Bandhan Bank. Okay.
PK Ghosh was the owner.
Right.
And on the other side, there was Subroto Singh. Subroto Roy of Sahara. Now, Subroto Roy and my house in Gorakhpur, we were neighbors when he first started out.
Okay.
And like an idiot, I fell into both their grips. I have done everything, sir, and not done it.
I could make out. You would have done, I thought. That's why I was sure that you would have definitely. Even Teresa,
I did everything. I did everything, but didn't get the money.
Yeah, I'm sure even Teresa would have done it. Teresa, what about you? Network marketing? Which one?
Sir, I launched Japan Life.
Which one?
Japan Life.
What was that? That was a mattress or something?
Yes.
It was a mattress, right?
And I made a lot of money, and a lot of my people made money also.
1 lakh, this thing, no? 1 lakh was the amount, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Then I did the launching of Oriflame. I'm in Pune, known as the Launch Baby.
Okay. Oriflame also you've done, is it?
Yes.
Okay,
So that's
no,
how even Mittal, Sunil Mittal knows me as the Launch Baby of Pune.
is it still there? Those companies?
Yes.
Oriflame is there.
Oriflame is there. What about the other one?
Tupperware and all, sir. I'm not that
there.
Bhandi Koti wala.
No, but Tupperware is
Tupperware also is there. I know
Is
Tupperware.
there. Is there.
Tupperware products
But
are
I,
good, actually.
I can't sell vessels and pots and pans.
But this Tupperware, it is available even in the retail market outside also.
Yeah.
It's available there. We have purchased a lot of Tupperware items. In fact, our tiffin boxes and all are from Tupperware only. Oja and Anant Kumar, have you heard of this network marketing companies and all? Have you heard? No.
No, sir.
No. What about you, Anant Kumar? No? No. John. Welcome, John. How are you?
Sir, good evening, sir. I'm doing good. How are you?
I was wondering what happened to John. Why is
Sir,
not
no, just now actually I was traveling. Just now I just came and like just refresh and
Oh,
came.
good, good, good. So how was your last week?
Yes, sir, doing good. And you gave the assignment. Like you gave some of the tasks, like like getting the emails. And I was collecting some of the like more than like around 100 donors actually. So I think like I'm just planning to like I'm working on to send an email to those like people about the like what I'm doing and what we are.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, don't say what you're doing, and nobody is interested to know what you're doing.
Okay, sir. So I collected actually donor database actually.
No one is interested to know what you're doing. You have to just wish them happy Diwali. That's all. Wish them like you must.
Okay. Okay.
You see one of the mails that Anup has sent. He has sent a beautiful mail. Beautiful
Yes.
mail. He simply said, in spite of this, during this
Pandemic.
COVID-19 situation, I'm sure that you must be doing. You have done an extraordinary job. You are doing amazing. He is appreciated.
Okay.
He is appreciated that person, which is what people will like for. If I receive a mail, Sridhar, you are doing excellent, fantastic, like that, I will read that mail 10 times.
Yes,
It is
sir.
human psychology. Now, supposing John Peter says, sir, I am doing this, will I be interested in seeing that? No. I will be interested to know about myself. So you are writing to me that, Sridhar, you are doing a fantastic job in spite of this situation, and you are too good. You are telling me, I am very happy. Who has written this man? John Peter. Okay, John Peter has got a website also. Okay, let me click the website. I'll open the website. Oh my God, he is doing such a wonderful job. Fine, I should do something. Then I'll call my team member. I said, John Peter, you just go and support, see what he is doing, help him.
Okay.
Period. This is the instruction that I'll give to the team. See, as the CEO of the company. That's all.
Okay.
And your job is done. Supposing you tell me about yourself, how will I be interested in knowing about you? Now, you have told about yourself in the website, in the Facebook page or the website.
Okay.
So you have complimented me, you have appreciated me, you have made me go through your website link. That is the right way of doing things. These are all strategies.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yeah.
This is how you should get donors. You should win a battle and all that. This is how you should do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me, John, have you heard of network marketing activities and all that? Do you know about network marketing?
I've heard about it, and I have no idea how it works and all.
You have no idea, but you have attended any of the meetings or something?
Recently, I think like one month before, I was into the affiliated marketing, and I've seen in the.
No, affiliate marketing is different.
Okay.
Affiliate marketing is different. Network marketing is different.
But I have not attended any networking, stuff like that, sir.
But you have heard about that.
I have heard about it. Yeah, recently this, during this Corona period, like there's a lot of things are coming. So like I've seen many times in the Facebook ad and all, and really like it was more interesting and like making to go and look into that, and I have not attended any seminar actually so far.
Okay, why I have brought in that, I'll tell you. Okay, it has got some connection with what we are doing right now. Whatever now I am referring to. You see, I have personally, the first time when I was a GM of Pentasoft, I had there was one very good speaker by name Terence Shenoy. This Terence Shenoy, I used to respect him a lot because he called me for one seminar. It was a self-development seminar, and it was an amazing one. And after that, whatever he was doing, I used to attend. And those days, his charges were something like 3,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, one day seminar and all that. And I used to pay and then go and attend that, seminars and all. Very nice seminars he used to attend. So one day what happened, this man came to my office and said that, I want you to come and attend a massive, very massive, seminar about how this thing, but you need to come at the seminar will start around 10 o'clock or so, and you need to be there by about 8 o'clock. I said, why?
So your volume is going low.
Huh?
Your volume is going low.
Volume is going low, is it?
No, we are okay. I can hear him well.
Yeah, I can also hear you well.
Something wrong
Sridhar,
with
just
you?
check yours. Just check
Just
yours.
see.
No, Sridhar, we can actually hear you well.
Yeah, you can hear me well, right? Right. So, wait. Let me mute everybody.
Just
I think Kamala Natarajan is sitting on the almost streets. That's why he is the only man. Only you keep them. Okay. So, this man came and he called me over for that meeting. And 8 o'clock, he said, 8 o'clock you come. I said, 8 o'clock, why? He said, no, it will be so much rush and all, more than 3,000 people will be there and all. It's a stadium, Nehru Stadium they had booked, and it's going to be more than 3,000 people attending that. So naturally it will be like that. So then I followed, I paid 3,000 rupees for that and then attended that meeting. In about half an hour's time, I came to know it is Amway. It's about Amway.
Yeah.
So then he lost his respect that I had because he never told me that it's a network marketing seminar. He never told me that. So after that, I felt very bad. And I did not want to get into that because I was already GM of that company and all that. And he said, you don't do anything, I will take care and all that. He said, no, I'm not interested. I said, I didn't go about it. But he did it for me. He somehow made it. And what happened? I never did any work on that because I was not at all interested in that. But he on his own used to get me a lot of people under me. And I used to frequently get once in a while, the first or second month or something, some 480 rupees came. The third month or something like that, some 700, 800 rupees came. And then all of a sudden, one day I got about 20,000 rupees. Some 20,000 rupees and all, I got it. Then that is the time, 20,000 rupees, when that amount came, I called this man. I said, what are you doing? I got someone check. So he said, that is the secret of this. You don't worry, it will come. It will keep on coming. I said, okay, leave it. I left it at that. And I left it at that. And after that, after some time, I think it died down. It had a natural death. It had a natural death and it died down after some time. Then came one more Modi Care and all that. They came. They said, this thing, promised this one, that one and all that. Again, I didn't fall for it. I was away. But then over a period of time, I started getting all these audios and videos of network marketers. This network marketing people, audio and video I used to get. And very interesting, very, very interesting speeches. Powerful, very powerful. Because it is so tough. Network marketing is so tough, right? So unless you have a very powerful motivational speaker, it is very difficult to make people work. It's such a very, very tough, industry. That industry. Industry is good because Americans thought about this. Americans are the ones who came with this idea of network marketing. Okay, and they are too good in that kind of strategies, strategy building and all. You see, anything you see, they are first, they are number one. Whatever you take about whether artificial intelligence, technology and all, Japanese are trying to, compete with them and trying to overtake. But their sheer volume of, that legacy that they are carrying, that they are always number one, still holds on good. Even today, they are almost 10 years ahead of India in terms of their thinking, in terms of their brain development and all that. They are 10 years ahead of India. So this also was the brainchild of Americans only, this network marketing also. So I personally, I never used to give it a lot of weightage. So I never considered that as an industry where I will not go, I will not get involved in that industry, I will not do anything there. This was my personal principle that I had followed for many years. Recently what happened, in my Remax team, there is one guy. So he, one fine day, he just asked, he sent me one, link, and he said, please attend this, sir. I said, what is this? Then he told me it's a business that I'm doing, right? And why this topic came also was because there is one guy by name Mike Herard or somebody in US whose video I saw. It was to do with real estate. It was my subject. And he's a real estate person. So I saw his video and I got impressed, very much impressed. Then I just commented saying that your video is too good. I'm very happy and all that. And it's looking at my comment, right? He responded back. He said, I want to have a Zoom meeting with you. I want to collaborate with you and all that. And I would like to discuss with you. I was very happy because the guy who has got millions of subscribers, right? And millions of views are there. And that person is now initiating a meeting with me. So I never refused. So I said, fine, we'll go ahead, and I met him. So there was his morning was my night and my morning was his night and all that. But still we somehow got to meet each other in the Zoom meeting. Teresa, can you please pay attention here? You're not paying attention here.
So they dropped water on my laptop, sir.
Oh my God. Ooh. Children.
By mistake, it fell.
Oh my God. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah. Fine. Okay. So what happened when that meeting took place, he was talking about network marketing in real estate business. So I was very surprised. How can we do network marketing in real estate business? It's all property values and all very high. How we can do all that? So he gave me one model which said that there's 7 people and all that. So I was, anyway, that meeting took place regarding some network marketing in real estate business. So I said, fine, let me see and all that. I left it at that. Then I knew that one of my team member, in my this real estate team also, one member is into network marketing because I had seen one of his videos where he had also given very powerful speech. So I asked him, do you think network marketing in real estate will work? So he said, definitely it will work, sir. I said, what makes you say? Then he said, network marketing is like that. It's too good. It will be nice. And if anybody comes in real estate, definitely it will succeed, he said. I said, okay, fine. And I left it at that. So that evening, he sent me one link. And he said, please participate in this. So I asked him, what is this? Then he said, no, it's something to do with my business, which I have been doing, which I told you also, and you are aware of that. Just please attend this meeting and understand what it is. It is something to do with whatever I am doing. It's network marketing only, but it is about our company, our business and all those things. Then I attended. And this meeting was very fruitful, and I immediately found out that this may not probably work out for real estate. Okay, but there is a possibility that it might work out for NGOs because of the product. What is the product? The product is groceries. Okay, it is rice, wheat, dal, toothpaste, toothbrush, sabun, detergent, right? All these kind of stuff. So, and then there is no upfront payment and all. Supposing he had said that pay me 4,000 rupees, pay me 5,000 rupees and all that, if he had told me, I would have thought something, karna hai, nahi karna hai, I would have thought about it. Then there's no upfront payment and all. What has to be done here is a very simple process. You have to download one app in your mobile, and through that app, right, you need to place order. Okay, you have to change your existing shop. Supposing you are buying from some place, now instead of buying from that place, you change your habit of buying from there to this company. That's all. This is what is the job. So then how do we track and all those purchases and all those things? There is a methodology. They've got one, you have to give your Aadhaar card, and through the Aadhaar card an ID will be created, and that's about it. There is no money to be paid, nothing. So absolutely zero investment. So, but only thing is that instead of buying your Ashirwad atta, you will be buying a Vestige atta. Okay. Instead of buying what is that? Basmati rice ka kiska hai? Some famous Muslim guy. I'm forgetting his name. Instead of that Basmati rice, you're going to buy Vestige Basmati rice. Instead of buying any other raw rice, you're going to buy this raw rice. Like that, soaps, everything they manufacture. It's a 3,000 crore company which is located in Delhi, and it has branches all over. Almost 10,000 pin codes they are servicing in India. So the first thing that he asked me was, after that, I was impressed with that. Then he said, can you just share me your Aadhaar card? I gave my Aadhaar card, and he created an ID for me. And the next day what I did was, for my house, I placed an order for about 1,200 rupees. Okay, 1,200 rupees I placed an order. 24 hours I got in my house, absolutely beautifully packed carton box full of whatever material that I had ordered and all that, everything came through. Everything was there. So I found then the usage of the product, there is also a guarantee, 30 days money back guarantee. What they say is, supposing you don't like the product, right? Within 30 days, you can return that product and then get your refund also, if you're not happy. So which has never happened according to them, right? But I have seen the product seems to be okay. So now I was correlating that how this particular thing can work with NGOs. Now in the NGOs, if you see, especially in this thing, first thing is, for me, it will be very useful because I am purchasing raw materials and all that, this rice, dal for this no hungry child from the local markets only, from here and there and all that I'm buying. So for me, my monthly bill also is very high. So I can purchase from them. So what do I get in that is, one is the price in this product is 10 to 20% lesser than the market price. You can make a comparison, is what they are saying. I have not made a comparison. Okay. But they say that it is 10 to 20% lesser than the market price, number one. Number two, through you, if more people keep buying in their respective places, all the turnover will be mapped under you. And you stand to benefit out of that. Okay. You stand to benefit out of that. But what is the kind of money that you can see in this? Any amount. There are people who have seen even 20 lakhs per month and all that they are talking about. And I have listened to 2-3 meetings of theirs, and I found that they seem to be a very genuine company, and they are there in the system for a long time. And the products that they are giving is so useful that it is useful for everybody. And there is no upfront payment. You don't pay anybody anything, any amount. It is just that you are changing your shop. Instead of buying from somewhere else, you are buying from here. That's all. So this one, I found that this will be very, very useful for NGOs. How? You know, I have done some of the events like this. Charity Pizza. I have done this event and it has given phenomenal results for me. So what is Charity Pizza? Charity Pizza, they will buy from the regular Domino's or Pizza Hut or anybody for that matter. The product will be supplied by them only. But the donation money used to come to us. Okay, let's say pizza value is about 600 rupees. Okay, value of the pizza is 600 rupees. They would have paid 600 rupees. Now I'm saying Charity Pizza and I'm asking for 750 for that. Okay, instead of 600, I'm asking 750. They pay this money. And with pizza, I have a deal. The deal is that this particular month, I am going to promote Charity Pizza, your product, and you need to give me a bulk discount for this. So he subsidizes, and instead of charging me 600 rupees, he charges me 400 rupees. So I get 200 rupees from there, 150 from the donor. So 200 plus 150 makes it 350. The donor also feels very clearly that he is donating for a cause and he buys pizza. And then there was an article published in the newspaper. So No Hungry Child has come out with Charity Pizza offer. So there was a beautiful article came out and it was spread and bulk orders were coming to us. People were donating money to us and we in turn used to place the order on pizza and they take care of the deliveries part of it and all. We just get the money and they bill me monthly. So on a daily basis, I used to keep sending them orders. My team used to do that. My team used to give orders to Pizza Hut, and then they will supply to respective places and all that, donors and all, whoever has placed. And so what used to happen, there was a birthday celebration at home. If they're ordering pizza, it will be through No Hungry Child. So during that particular month, we made something like about 1.5 to 2 lakhs money. I would say it is an extra amount that we received after paying the pizza people. We got that much of volume of this thing. So I've done this. Then I've done something called, a charity movie. Okay, charity movie means what we used to do. There was one movie which came of Amitabh Bachchan. That was one of the lousiest movie I've ever seen of Amitabh Bachchan's movie. That movie's name is, do you know Sholay? Sholay, which was released in the beginning, right? That was a super hit. Okay. And then the same movie Sholay, next time when it got released, it came with, what is that? Amitabh Bachchan was Gabbar Singh. He played the role of Gabbar Singh. And then Ajay Devgan and one more, Akshay Kumar, I think. Okay, these two people were the Amitabh Bachchan and Dharmendra role. Okay, that movie was a flop, according to me. And Amitabh Bachchan was horrible in that movie. So that movie in Bangalore, 800 seats we booked in advance on the first day. And we did a campaign for about nearly, I think about 15 days or something. 15 days campaign we did. And the entire hall was booked. Entire hall. There was one company, one real estate company. They had about nearly 65 employees or something. And for entire 65 employees, the company took the responsibility of booking movie tickets for us, through us, and then they went and attended they saw the movie. So for us, the donation came. The movie price was 200 rupees. We sold it at 800 rupees each. Okay, it was nothing but a black sale, black ticket. Nothing but black. But it was told in a very polite manner saying that donate for a cause. Okay. And the title was Charity Movie. Right. So we were able to do this. We got this done. And we got very good amount even for that, though it was a lousy movie. So I happened, because I initiated this event, I had to go sit across and see this movie. And I saw the whole hall was almost half empty, but we have sold out. We have sold the tickets. It worked for me. So what I'm trying to say, why am I saying all these things is that when it comes to charity and when you put across this point to the donors, they will follow this. Now, what will happen in your case? Now, let's say that you are able to, through this concept of this Vestige is the name of the company. They are the people who are going to supply and all that. Logistics and all is taken care by them. Order placement is taken care by them. Your app, whenever they place an order in your app, you will get to know how much turnover each one has done, each one has purchased and all that. So for every single purchase that they have made, you're going to be credited with amount, and every month on 5th of every month, they send you your check. Okay, in the whole exercise, what is the role that you're going to play? You're going to play in terms of making these people accept to purchase products through this company instead of their regular vendors. This is the effort that we need to take. That's all. Do you think it is workable? Arup, you can open. Yeah, yes, Teresa. Do you think it is implementable?
I think yes.
Yes. Teresa?
Yes, sir.
It is implementable, right? John? John?
Yes, sir. I think it's a cool idea.
Right. Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do for this. Okay. Now, every week I will conduct one meeting on this. Every week, weekly once, I will be conducting the meeting. Now, you have to mobilize people and make them attend this meeting. And whoever, supposing, let's say Arup mobilizes around 10 people and he makes them attend this meeting. Now, those 10 people, when they get convinced and they sign up, right, those people will come under Mr. Arup. Now, John comes with another 10 people. So John will be mapped, those 10 people will be mapped under John. So like that, each one of you who brings these people to attend this meeting, okay, convincing is my job. Convincing them is my job. Okay, I will convince them. I will talk to them. Why are we doing? How are we doing? What is that? How is it going to help? All that I'm going to tell them. I'm not going to give them any monetary, I'm not going to talk about their monetary gains, right? It is their wish if they want to. I'm not going to talk about any of their monetary gains for them. I said, you just change your shop and purchase. If you purchase, this money will go to this particular NGO, right? And that is for a cause. Now, indirectly, you are helping this NGO. Sounds good? So here I'm not going to talk about any monetary gain for them. For them, there is no monetary, even if monetary gain is there, I will not declare that. Let them find out on their own and let them, if they want, they can do, because they will also get benefited if they want. Understood? Arup, what is your view on this?
I'm okay with it. I have people under me. Only thing from Sundarban, how will I get the link?
How will you, internet is a problem?
In Sundarban, yes.
No, but whenever you are there in Kolkata, you place the order for Sundarban.
The other thing is this only restricted to Kolkata, or is like if I get 10 people across India, where is it?
Across 4 countries today.
So India, anywhere I can go.
Yeah, India, anywhere you can go.
For my 10 people, I can go anywhere in India.
That is, I'm not saying only 10 people.
As a number.
Yeah,
it's a ballpark figure you gave us.
That is only for first meeting. Now, every week I'm going to conduct similar meetings. So every week you are going to bring in 10 people. Okay. And these 10 people, I'm going to form a different strategy altogether for this. Okay. There will be a separate web page for Arup, separate web page for Oja, separate web page for John Peter, right? Separate web page for Teresa. Everything, we will create, and that you are going to promote through social media and get that audience. It's a different audience altogether. Whatever you are currently doing, don't mix up with this and that. This is a different activity altogether. And the people who are going to come also are going to be different, totally different. Not your existing donors. None of your existing donors will be tapped on this. Okay, if they come on their own, it's a different matter. But we are not actually going to tell any of our existing donors to do this. There's nothing wrong in doing that. Supposing you do that, but let them not get confused with the thought process and all that. So you find a different market altogether for this, through which you will get plenty. And first 3-4 months, this will not give you good money. 3 to 4 months time, it will be in peanuts only, like 250, 500, 1,000 rupees, like that only you will get. The moment you have a team of about 250 plus, it is only then you will start getting 2 lakhs and above. So till you make the 250 plus, you have a job to do. And if it was some other product, I would not have recommended. They have many other products also. They have got healthcare, they have got health supplements, and then they have got some. There is something called Energizer for the car and all that they have got. They have got more than about 1,000 products or something. But the one which attracted me was the groceries. Groceries part of it was attractive, very attractive. See, if each family buys 3,000 rupees worth of grocery for their house every month, right? You can imagine what will happen to that. He says, Sonu Sharma, have you heard of Sonu Sharma? Sonu Sharma, have you heard of? No, right? Okay, I'll send you one of his videos, right? You go through this. He's a great network marketer. His monthly current income from this company in the last he's just 9 months old in this, but he is in this field for the last 20 years. His monthly income is about 20 lakhs per month. Sir, Kamal sir, புரிஞ்சுதானா சார்? அனந்த்குமார் சார், புரிஞ்சுதா நான் சொன்னது?
புரிஞ்சு சார். புரியுது சார், புரியுது. நானும் ஆல் சார்.
மளிகை சாமான் வாங்குறது வந்து இவங்க மூலியமா வாங்கணும். இப்போ வந்து நான் என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா, உங்களுக்கு நீங்க இருக்க ஸ்ரீவில்லிபுத்தூர்ல இது சப்ளை பண்றதுக்கு முடியுமா முடியாதாங்கிறத நான் வந்து பார்க்கணும். அது அவைலபிள் இருந்தா நீங்க அப்படி அவைலபிள் இல்லைன்னு சொன்னா எனக்கு சென்னையில இருக்கிறவங்கள நீங்க வர வைக்கலாம். ஓகே, இதுக்கப்புறமா தனியா உங்களுக்கு புரிய வைக்கணும்னா நான் புரிய வைக்கிறேன். அப்புறமா போன்ல பேசி உங்களுக்கு சொல்ல புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. ரைட். Arupji, anything you have to say for this? Nothing, it's fine. It's doable. It's a doable job. Teresa, it's a doable job.
Yes, sir.
John, you can do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Oja, you can do it. Great. Sir, நீங்க பண்ண முடியும் இல்லையா? அவங்களால பண்ண முடியும் இல்லையா? அனந்த்குமார் புரியல, நீங்க சொன்னதை மியூட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க போல இருக்கு.
புரியுது சார்.
பண்ணலாம் இல்லையா?
பண்ணலாம்.
Right. Okay, great. Now what I'll do is I'm going to give you today one link. 9 o'clock tonight you have to attend one meeting. Zoom meeting. Okay. In this Zoom meeting you will get clarity. Complete clarity about the model, how the model works. You will understand the model. You may not understand the what kind of products are available and all that. He is not going to explain. The person who is going to talk about it today. So I want all of you to attend this meeting at 9 o'clock today. Done? So I'll send you that link to all of you. Okay, right. So this is one topic which this will actually give you, in my opinion, it may take about 3 to 4 months time for you to stabilize, right? Don't expect any miracles to happen in 4 months. 4 months, nothing will happen. 4 months, you have to put in efforts. But from the 5th month, guaranteed results for you. 250, 2.5, 3 lakhs per month, aram se. If you follow my methodology, because I am going to be the leader for that, and I will guide you step by step how you can increase this. All right? Okay. Now coming to this daily donor prospects from the Facebook likes. How many of you have done it? Arupji, have you done it? Yeah. What is the response to that?
The moment I am going and hunting and then making them my members, the first thing that they write back that you're doing an enormously phenomenal work. We see, because see, I have an advantage over the others because of those 12, 13 magazines that have written about me.
Right.
Right. And I'm unlike you, I don't send it to everyone. I choose the profile.
Right.
Right. Unless the profile is locked, I'm helpless.
Right.
So when the way you've educated me, at least, I spend a little bit of time. I go into their profile if it's open, as much as I can dig in,
right,
and then see whether it's worthwhile or not. Right. And then I send a message. I not only send them a friend request, I send a message with one of my links.
Okay.
You know, it could be Better India, it could be Humans of Bombay. And I said that I would love to be associated because I see we had like-minded friends, so we have like-minded interest. Okay. And I leave it at that. And if you see, about 60, 70 of them have come back. And I'm feeling very, humiliated at times when I see all those lovely messages that come to me. Not only that, I think they are donor prospects. You know, if I can play my cards well. See, one is I've got them into my, let's say network. Yeah, I now need to, I cannot tag them right now, but I'll make sure that they get to see what I do.
Correct.
So that's how I'm doing it, sir. I'm doing it in that way.
Very good, excellent.
But I send a message to them also.
Yeah. What about the rest of the people? Who else have tried this? Teresa, have you tried or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
How you a very good response. I get almost around 15 people reverting back
every day.
And yes.
So you try for 15 people and you get the response also from 15 people.
25 people on Facebook every day.
Oh, you try. Okay.
Yes, because I'm on Facebook since the last whenever it started.
Right.
So I keep getting into these groups where there are at least 200 members, 300 members. So every person where I have at least above 100 as common friends because of my human rights or because of my other work, I keep tagging on them. So every day I'm getting at least around 15 to 20 reverts.
Excellent. Good. They message you, is it?
Yes, sir.
They message you. Okay.
And there are many who are sending me friend requests.
All right. Okay.
So please accept me also as a friend.
Good.
And they're all American, they're all foreigners. That is the reason why I am not wanting to leave Youth for Human Rights also.
Okay.
Because for me, even $1 is...
Yeah, it's a good money.
One donut.
Yes, yes, yes.
So when you were talking about pizzas, yes, just now. Yesterday itself, I gave donuts.
Okay.
So I was thinking if I decorate the donuts a little bit more, it looks like an American pie.
Right. Okay.
And I get $1 for it.
Oh, good idea.
I did a campaign like this in Chandigarh, where we made pure chocolates for 1 rupee. During the Diwali time, it was called Eco Diwali, and we donated it all to the Mother Teresa's home.
Okay. Very good. See, there are many innovative ways of raising funds. Now, in the next ongoing programs and all, I'll be coming out with, how you can attach yourself with Amazon companies and people who are buying products and all that, they add about 10 rupees, 1 rupee, 5 rupees, and then they pay.
The only place where I'm getting stuck right now is I am not able to get into that Facebook place where you get all the donors.
What do you mean by that?
Most of my foreigner friends are donating through Facebook.
Okay.
So I'm not able to understand what is it that I get to that.
Yeah. Arupji, you please tell her.
What?
There is about 218 donors as of today, their names. I have applied and the first round application has been accepted, right? My daughter's looking into this. They want this thing ATG, 12AA. They want at least 3 years balance sheet, but they are saying that exceptional if you've already applied for your third year. Like I have already submitted my third year, but it hasn't come through, right? And they want to know what is the type of work that you do. That's all. They are looking at 4 documents and what is it that you do. Then they will upload you as a bona fide donor. Now, let us say, Sridhar, it is your birthday tomorrow, and you want to, do a donor campaign that all the money, please don't give me a gift and put it into this donation.
Right.
So if you have your own, your own company, then you can put it there. Right. Foreigners, when they look for donors, Facebook is one of their biggest, avenues of sinking in.
Right.
Then they can look at all of them, press any of it, and then get into the web link.
Okay.
So right now there are 218, and they scrutinize. Teresa, you'll get this link. If you don't have it, I'll send it to you. Just after the program, I'll give you the link. And if you have your ATG and your 12A and your balance sheets in place, you can
apply on behalf of No Ugly Child, sir, Teresa.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you apply on behalf of No Ugly Child. I'll give you that ATG and 12A.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Sridhar is always saying that, so you can take his assistant. But it's a good place to be.
Yes. Yeah, you proceed. Whatever Arup sends you, you proceed with that, and I'll back you with that, documents.
Thank you so much.
I've always said that, no, for you. For everybody, I've said that.
Cry when you say it, I don't want to take advantage.
No. For everyone, I've said that. You see, ultimately, I will be very happy to say that whatever money comes into No Ugly Child, what am I doing with that? It is minus the administrative cost that I'm doing. I'm spending it back, right?
Because I struggled everywhere to get the ATG before the lockdown, and it was just not happening.
Now it is available so freely for you. You are not using it.
No. I am already speaking on those lines. The only thing is I have not told you till it works out.
John, I have already told him that he can do program under the name of No Ugly Child. Anybody for that matter, any new people who are joining my team here, they can all do this under the name of No Ugly Child. Every new NGO also, I'm giving this offer to them.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Because ultimately, I also want to increase the number of children to be benefited out of this.
Sure, sir.
That is the whole idea. Okay. So go ahead and apply. Instead of applying from human rights and all that, you apply from No Ugly Child. That's all.
I just need to say the right to feed kids.
Okay.
That one line has to be added.
Right. So you do that. Okay. So then I was telling you that over the period of time that I'm also going to come out with all these concepts of how you can tie up with Amazon, how you can tie up with Flipkart, right? How you can, there are many other ways, local restaurants, if they are open, I have tied up with many restaurants in Bangalore where at the end of, when people eat food, when a bill comes, there'll be a 10 rupees optional, charges will be raised in the bill, and the restaurant collects that money and they give us once in a month.
Yes, sir.
And we give them tax exemption certificate for that, because it is a win-win for them. The restaurant actually gets a 50% exemption on that.
Yes, sir.
And money also they are collecting in advance. And they are paying from the money collected from the customers, and then they give us. They are very happy to do that. If the cost is good. And in fact, if you can make some placards and all that, and keep it on the tables of the restaurant also, people are willing to do that. They are willing to accept that. So in that, there will be one message saying that donate for a cause, right? And the bill, when it is being raised, the supplier will ask. They will ask, in fact.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So with this today, I think we will wind up. And then next week, hopefully everybody will come. And then we'll come out with something more interesting. Okay. Tonight, now I'm going to send you all the links for you to attend from tonight. Right? Tonight, 9 o'clock is the meeting time. All of you.
Sir, just wanted to ask you. So can I share the link with another partner of mine?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They belong to the Teachers
Yeah, you want to
Association.
bring some people and all that, you can bring. They all will be mapped and delivered.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Teresa, I've sent it to you already. It's in your mailbox.
Thank you.
If anyone else wants it, I can just send it. I'll put it into the group. The best is, but would they know about it? I'll
They won't know.
yeah. So, but this thing Teresa asked for it, so I just sent it.
Right.
Thanks a lot, Dada.